Hi, this is the website whited00r.com. This is the website I use to make my iPhone 2G, well, not my iPhone, it's actually my daughter's. I have a 4G. Well, this is the website I use to get my daughter's iPhone first generation firmware, ios4 firmware. It's not actually ios4, but it's really close to it. You know, for those of you out there interested, still have the first generation iPhone and you want to upgrade it, this is awesome firmware. It works really good. It has multitasking, video. It even has battery percentage. I don't know if you see it up there. 42% has battery percentage. Has a lot of neat features on it. I was pretty amazed with it. So here, this is the website. It's called whited00r. Instead of 2 O's, it has 2 number zeros right here where it says door.com. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. Teaches you how to do it. Let me back up a little. Installation guide. See, my problem was I kept getting the error 1600, whatever they talk about it on here. Error 1600, yeah. So it tells you to downgrade, because originally that iPhone first generation had the 3.1.3, so I actually had to downgrade to the 3.1.2. So I did that. Firmwares are on here. They're free to download. So I downgraded it, tried it, and it still wouldn't work for me. So it says right here, to run Black Rain. So I did that, and then some people are complaining that Black Rain is not working properly. So it tells you right here. It says once you download it, save it in here. This is if you have a problem getting to here. It's real easy to do. I'm on Windows, so if you're on Mac, I don't know what to tell you. You go to my computer. Local disk C. Click there. That's alright. Go to programs. Then you go to common files right here. Then you go to Apple right here. Apple application support. That's where you gotta drop the file. You click on the file and save it in a different location. You save it in here. And here it is, Black Rain. I just dropped it in here. And when I go to use it, I click run, and there it is. But I actually leave the file in there. I just run it from in here like it says to do. And here it is, and I just plug my iPhone in. But what I was doing was I was just plugging my iPhone in, and it didn't work for me. I had to actually open up iTunes and leave iTunes running in the background when I did this. When I left iTunes running in the background and I clicked make it rain, it actually started working. Maybe they should list this on the website on here, because I didn't see it on here. Run Black Rain, but make sure your iTunes is open in the background. And yeah, it'll once you can run Black Rain, it'll put it into recovery mode, and then your iTunes window will pop open, and you just close it. You just ignore the window. Don't close iTunes, but just ignore the window, and let it do what it's got to do, and it'll work. And then once you get the black rain installed, you go back to the you do the process again if you're having problems, and then you just try to install it all over again. Right here, open up iTunes, click. If you're on Windows, just read it. It's pretty simple to do. But I was having a problem with the black rain. I couldn't get that installed. But once I went back and I had opened up iTunes, like I said, I installed it and it worked, and I just followed the steps it has on here after I run black rain on it, and it worked awesome. And I got it installed on here, and it works pretty good. It's actually faster. It's actually more faster than Winterboard. Winterboard was kind of lagging. This thing has no Winterboard installed. I'll show you. No Winterboard installed. This is the custom firmware. See? No Winterboard at all. iPhone first generation. If you're getting stuck anywhere and you need help, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.